Didn't know that I would be this nervous for a good thing. Ain't it just a bunch of people that we love, watching us trade rings? But I can't help but think about everything I've been through just to stand up here with you. I've been to hell and back, but if it means a life with you, well then I'd do it all again. 'Cause you're worth the wait, all of my dark, dim and lonely days. Every goodbye and heartbreak was pointing me home. I was just holding on, praying you'd be out there holding strong. Took me forever to find you, but finally forever's just 2 words away. And baby, you're worth the wait. There were days where I thought it might just never happen, that maybe I was meant to be alone, that love was something that I never know. But if I could go back right now, I'd tell myself it all works out, 'cause it got me here today. Yeah, you're worth the wait, all of my dark, dim and lonely days. Every goodbye and heartbreak was pointing me home. I was just took me forever to find you, but finally forever's just 2 words away. Baby, you're worth the wait.
Jeff and Tina, it started clear from the feast to a love that's near through every glance.
Si Tina maldita, pero sumusunod naman. At si Jepoy, takot kay Tina, yun lang.
Now they stand, faith by the side, promises made with God as their guide. Life's a dance, the movement is light. In their vows, their love takes flight. 13 years.
Bawat marriage talaga dapat ang solid foundation niya yung friendship. Dahil nakikita ko yun na feeling ko nasa right track sila for good marriage. Nandito ako to support him all the way.
Now they stand, faith by the side, promises made with God as their guide. Life's a dance, the movement is light. In their vows, their love takes flight. 13 years of laughter and grace, Tina's calm, Jeff's warm embrace.
Lord, kagaya ng iba na naging masaya sa kanilang pagsasama, na pinagpala mo sa kanilang pag-isa. Lord, kagaya ng iba na inilayo mo, O Diyos, sa anumang bagay na masasama, dinadalangin namin at sa mga oras na to, siyang maghari sa kanilang puso, sa kanilang isipan.
From the first I love you to today, they walked in God's way. Through every trial, every cheer, in His love they persevere. As they say I do today, in God's light they find their way. Jeff and Tina, hand in hand, in this dance by faith they stand. Promises made with God as their guide. Life's a dance, they'll move in His light. In their vows, their love takes flight.
Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon dahil sa ngayon ay nandito kami sa harapan ng ating panambahan, harap ng Lord, ni Pastor Tony at sa lahat ng nandito. Ako po ay nangangako na si Tina ay mamahalin ko habang buhay. Ako ay Kakaiyak.
In
Lay.
his love they persevere.
I promise na suklian ko yung pagmamahal mo.
In God's light
Mananatiling kaibigan mo hanggang sa huli. Ayan. Pero huwag ka lang magpapahuli.
distance by faith they stand.
So, ayun. Maraming salamat sa pag-intindi mo sa akin. Dahil, ayun nga, sabi, siga ako. Pero, alam mo naman kung ano yung totoong ako. Nakikita lang nila yan, pero hindi naman totoo, di ba?